Hey there, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about niching, niche the pitch. If you can narrow down what you do, it makes it more desirable for a journalist. You might be a real estate agent and there's millions of real estate agents, but what can you narrow down that's specific to you? For example, I've worked with real estate agents who work with just divorced women, just first-time home buyers, just boomers. I actually worked with an agent who showed me her card. Specifically, she works with senior citizens. So that gives you an angle when you're pitching the media because you can talk about that specific part of your industry. You're still this general business coach, doctor, lawyer, accountant, but what do you do? How can you help the media with your specific what you do, what's your gift that you can offer and provide expertise and value. So I hope that's helpful when you're thinking of pitching the media. And if you haven't done so yet, I invite you to join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. I give you 10 days of 10-minute tips on how to pitch the media, and people who are implementing are having amazing success. So I hope you'll join us, and I'll see you in the media.